Hello all my lovely audience, welcome back to my channel Sapna Raghuvanshi. And today guys, as you can see that I'm completely ready just because I'm going somewhere. Actually I'm going to my maternal home to meet my bua. Yes guys, actually my bua has already come. It's mandatory for me, it's obligatory for me to go there because in my son's mundan ceremony I didn't give the gift that I already provided to each and everyone who ever just came to attend my son's mundan ceremony, like gift as sari. So my bua couldn't come in my son's mundan ceremony due to some health issue. That time my bua was suffering a lot with her health. That's why so right now I'm ready to go and excited also because I'm going to meet my bua after long time. So guys, as you can see that I have already reached here in Varanasi, and now it's been 4 hours. Now I'm gonna show you something. You can see my beautiful mother. My mother is just is teaching something. You can see my bacha party. So guys, as you can see that they are sleeping in the day. So I'm going to tell you something related to sleep words. Okay, so I can say like they are taking a siesta. So siesta means जब हम दिन में सोते हैं तो उसे हम siesta बोलते हैं, sleep नहीं बोलते हैं. We can't say that they are sleeping. We can say that they are taking a siesta. एंड अगर मानिए कि ये लोग बस 5-10 मिनट के लिए सो रहे हो तो इसको हम कह सकते हैं दे आर टेकिंग अ नैप. बट राइट नाउ दे आर टेकिंग अ सिएस्टा. Okay, except of Sivansh, because Sivansh is just pretending that he is sleeping, but actually he is not. And Savi and Sarthak, they both are taking a siesta. My bua is also doing something. So I have just come here to meet my bua. So you can see my beautiful bua. And now guys, I'm gonna talk something about my bua. You know, actually my father was 4 siblings, including this bua. My father has passed away, he is no more in this world, and one of my bua, like eldest bua, has also passed away. Let's check something in the kitchen, like exactly what my sister-in-law is doing in the kitchen. So hello Juhi, what are you doing?
Actually, I'm serving a dahi vada that I made today for you.
Oh my god, wow, how lucky I am.
Taste it.
Oh my god. But how can I test? You just so guys, you can see that my sister-in-law, she just made this dahi vada. It's so yummy, delicious.
Thank you.
So now guys, we are just going to terrace because they are so hot inside the house. Oh my god, it's drizzling. Right now we are here on the terrace. You can see my most beautiful sister-in-law. Yes guys. So okay Juhi, so as we are just making this video, so let's learn something related to rain, just because today it's a rainy rainy weather, and also it has been raining since morning, but बारिश पूरी तरह से नहीं हो रही है, ये रुक रुक कर हो रही है. तो जो जस्ट यू कैन कंसीडर मी एज योर टीचर बिकॉज टुडे इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोना जस्ट टीच यू समथिंग रिलेटेड टू रेन. ओके, तो जस्ट सपोज अगर बारिश रुक रुक कर हो रही है तो आप इसे इंग्लिश में क्या बोलोगे, मैं आपको हिंट भी देने जा रही हूँ. ओके, सो इंटरमिटेंटली मीन्स रुक रुक कर.
It's raining intermittently.
यस, इट्स रेनिंग इंटरमिटेंटली. तो आप इसे सिर्फ बारिश के लिए ही नहीं यूज़ कर सकते हो. यू कांट ओनली यूज़ इट फॉर रेन, यू कैन यूज़ इट ऑल्सो फॉर लाइक मैनी मोर थिंग्स इन डिफरेंट सेंटेंसेस, लाइक बसेस आर रनिंग ऑन द रोड इंटरमिटेंटली, मतलब बसें रोड पे रुक रुक कर चल रही हैं, ठीक है, ड्यू टू ट्रैफिक. like this you can use. So you got this beautiful word today, intermittently.
Yes.
So for the next time, will you be able to use it properly?
Yes.
That's great. अगर मान लो कि बारिश मतलब बूंदाबांदी हो रही है, खुलकर नहीं हो रही है.
It's drizzling.
Yes, so it's a drizzling today. It's a drizzling today. और अगर मान लो बारिश बहुत तेज हो रही है, बहुत मूसलाधार बारिश हो रही है, तब क्या बोलोगे इसे? Pouring. It's a pouring, and also you can say it's raining like cat and dogs. So you can also use this in the two way.
It's raining like cat and dog.
Cat and dogs. So we have learnt 4 sentences related to
Rain.
rain. It's raining intermittently. It's drizzling. It's pouring.
Raining like cat and dog.
It's raining like cat and dog. And जब बारिश बिजली और कड़क के साथ हो रही है, तब हम कैसे इसको बोलेंगे? Yes, it's raining with thunder and storm. जब कभी कभी तूफान के साथ बारिश होती है ना, तो storm में तूफान होता है, तो we can use it like it's raining with thunder and storm. Thunder means बिजली जैसे कड़कती है, and storm and thunder. At the place of thunder also you can use lightning. It's
like बिजली चमकना, drizzled.
drizzled, yes. Okay, so thanks a lot, Juhi. You just made me learn new word today. It's a drizzle.
Drizzled.
Okay, so it's a drizzle. So like this, we have. So let's go here. Let's come with me. So like this, you guys know this is my Juhi, and her English is also superb and fantastic. But there's only one problem with her, that she is not
I can't
into the
explain and speak
yes.
in English.
So guys, you know the problem of Juhi is only one, that she is very much good at English, but as a subject means she know
I know
everything.
English. I can understand everything in English.
Yes.
But I can't speak and explain anything.
But you are explaining fantastically. You don't have any idea. You are explaining whatever you want to explain. You are explaining in great way. Only you are not habitual to speak all the time. Just okay, I'm gonna ask some question here. Means how many time are you speaking English at your home, with your family, with your husband, with your mother-in-law, with your kids? Are you speaking English? So if you are not speaking English with your husband or with your kids, so you are literally doing bad thing. You know, I'm blaming you. I'm not wrong here. You know why? Just because your English is good, you know very well, and your husband is also very much fluent in English. Juhi, you have a great option to practice your English with your husband, okay? Like with my brother, and also with your kids, because you are, of course, means where do you send your kid for studying? Obviously in ICSC board. Okay, so look, ICSC board. So there must be English environment in their school.
Yes, yes.
So of course, whenever you go to attend any PTM in school, though also teacher must be speaking English always.
Yeah.
Means at the most time they must be speaking English.
Yes.
So in the same way, you have to also just practice English, at least small sentences with your kids, with your husband. I know that you can't practice your English with your mother-in-law, because your mother-in-law is my mother, my real mother, so she is not able to understand English, but your husband and your kids. So just make a promise today that for the next time you will speak English with your husband and with your kids.
I will
always
try.
Not try, you have to speak, because your English is awesome and you are speaking good English. Okay, Joy, so tell me, how are you feeling right now?
Actually, I am feeling today very happy because of this type of weather.
Oh wow, literally. So this is the feeling that I am also having.
Yeah.
In this weather, I don't know why, but always just I am feeling so much happy and excited. So you are also feeling the same?
Yes.
That's super. Okay, Juhi, so don't worry. Today I'm gonna ask you some question. Means what did you prepare in your breakfast and in your lunch? Only you have to tell what did you prepare मीन्स आपने मतलब आज क्या क्या बनाया, बस इतना हमको बता दो।
have made today in lunch dal, chawal, chapati,
Okay.
sabji, and especially I made dahi vada
Oh wow,
for you.
oh my god, thank you so much. I know. So guys, whenever just I come here, so Juhi always just prepared something like special for me, especially like idli, dosa, and today as she prepared dahi vada, sometime momos, and sometime guys, my son is always just insisting me a lot like, mama please just you learn something from Juhi Mami, because Juhi Mami is making delicious food and you are not making food like her. So Juhi, I am feeling little bit jealous of you. Why are you making such a delicious food? My son and my husband, they are just always appreciating Juhi for her fantastic dish. So hardly just Juhi teach me, like taught me, I can say. Juhi taught me how to make momos. So I just learned from Juhi how to make momos, and also just I am sometime making momos at my home for my son. So he's feeling very happy, and also he's insisting like, mummy please learn other dishes also from Juhi Mami, like idli, dosa, and dahi vada and all. So Juhi, what do you think? Do you want to express something you're feeling about English? So for the next time, if you want to take any tips to me, so I'm just going to give you very fantastic tips. Just make your self-talk video like this. If you can't do anything, if you can't speak anything, so at least you can make your self-talk video by explaining and the things, and by explaining like what did you, what have you prepared today itself, like in breakfast, in lunch, in dinner. So at night before hitting the sick, you have to just think about all this thing in English in your mind, and after thinking just make your self talk video. Look here. Okay.
Yes, Dee, I will try, and I also want to speak English
Fluently. Yes, so you can speak fluently. I'm just giving you a task. Just do this thing only for 1 week. Like before hitting the sick, सोने से पहले, try to narrate all the things that you have done today. जो आपने आज किया, सारी चीज़ें माइंड में अपने थिंक करो, और उसके बाद क्या करो, उसे एक बार दिमाग में सोचो कि हाँ मैंने आज क्या क्या बनाया, क्या क्या किया, कुछ स्पेशल हुआ नहीं हुआ, ऐसे सोच के फिर उसको एक सेल्फ टॉक वीडियो बनाओ अगर टाइम है तो. बट गाइज आई एम जस्ट सेइंग ऑल दिस थिंग, बट इट इज़ वेरी daunting task for Juhi to do something or think something about English. You know why? Just because she has to manage lots of household, and she is also having 2 kids as my nibblings. They are also very naughty, so she has to just handle. But Juhi, you have to only do this thing only for 10 minutes, okay, not more than that. Do only for 10 minutes. Just take out your time from your daily routine only for 10 minutes. अपने दिन में से आप 10 मिनट अपने इंग्लिश के लिए निकालो, उससे दो, 1 हफ्ते तक दो, फिर 1 हफ्ते बाद मुझे रिस्पॉन्स बताओ, ठीक है, कि क्या आपकी फ्लुएंसी.
I always thinking in English.
So this is great. This is great thing. If you are trying to think in English, so this is great. You are going to do great.
Trying to speak.
Yeah, I'm getting ache in my hand by holding the mobile like this. So let's say bye to my audience. Bye bye. Take care.